Okay, I'm here to demonstrate to you how to install the cover stitch top sewing cover stitch. If you would like to have a top stitch, as you see over here, the top thread with the spreaders and the system, this is what you have to do. Number one, forced tensions with the brackets. You sit in the front with the two screws, 1, 2. If you're going to have a Pegasus, Juki, Kanso, and any other kind of a cover stitch, to install the system to put top stitch on the top, that's have to be installed one, and then you have another bracket holding the looper, which is sitting in the back over here, and then it's the looper, as you see, that's called spreader. And then you have a little pin, as you see over here, that's the little pin. I'm going to rotate the wheel so you can see. Okay, so now, number one, you're going to install that bracket with two screws, as you see over here. It comes complete as that. Then number two, you're going to install that little pin which holding the thread going before the spreader. It's going into the bracket right here, and gonna be right here, as you see that thread going on the bottom, and make left and right by the spreader. Okay, then here's is the bracket, as you see over here. This is the bracket holding that spreader. Here's the spreader. Okay, so when you mount this one in the back, you have one screw which is gonna hold on the shaft and the back, as you see over here. And then after you have already the bracket set up, you have the pin, so you're going to rotate it, and you will see this spreader going in. It passed the needle, the number 3 needle, as you see over here, and start coming down. That's going to pick up the thread, and each time the spreader going to come to this location, and then it's go down, and here you go again. You're gonna spread a thread. Now, if you see over here, you can use 3 thread, you can use 2 thread, and it will do the same function over here. This is the spreader doing your cover stitch on top, which up and down it will be looking like this, as you see. All right, thank you very much from Atlas Levy Sewing Machine Company.